All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here. We are proud to present this beautiful 2018 Ford Focus. It is the SE model, this beautiful white with black interior, premium sound system, steering controls, got backup camera, 8,000 miles in this vehicle. Best of all, price is gonna be right. Front bumper looks pretty good. Does seem to have a little cracking, a dent with paint off about 2 inches, and a little cracking here, less than an inch. As you can see on the hood, we do have a dent. Paint off, 3, 6, about 6 to 7 inches right here in this area. All right, the rest of the hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks good. See, your front bumper has some heavy scratches here. 3, 6, about 6 inches, as you can see there. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread is over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread here is over 7/32 as well. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Let me jump in here. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. AM/FM CD player on, so all that good stuff. You got your AC controls. I'm sorry, your backup camera. AC controls right down below. All right, you got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. So you can see no lights on. Obviously, you need some windshield washer fluid. And your mileage of 8,416 miles. Nice, nice, nice. Turn on the lights. Open up the trunk. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Coming around, your rear bumper looks good. Rear trunk space looks nice. Here's your rear. Does have a spare tire with some tools, and then I tucked away your owner's manual right there. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim, tire thread. Over 9:30 This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise, your front door here looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. As that curving into some dirt. The entire thread is over 8/32. Lights are working, car is on, things are beautiful. Folks, once again, a 2018 Ford Focus SE model with 8,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.